And we are live. Welcome, replay viewer. Today we are talking about the 3 things that you must know and that people who are visiting your personal profile are going to see and how they are going to perceive you. Viewer, today we are I'm still learning to turn that off. All right, so welcome. I have a few things to share with you today. I am broadcasting from Zoom because I do plan to share my screen. So if you're a replay viewer, type an R into the comments. And if you're here live, welcome. Type a 1 into the comments if you are excited to hear about some of these things that people who are coming to your profile are viewing about you, what they're thinking about you, and what could you possibly be doing that could be accidentally repelling people, okay? So before I do anything else, I am going to share this video to my personal page, and we're just going to share that and to my own timeline, and bam. Now that's shared, good to go. Let me get rid of this, and we're back. Okay, so one of the most important things, okay, that I think when you are having a Facebook profile is, you know what? I need to turn this on. I need to turn this on. There's a lot of variables here, folks. A lot of variables here. So that I can see who's commenting. Welcome, Jason. Thank you. And thank you so much for spreading the love. I really appreciate that. Really do. So the first thing, okay, what is the first thing that people see when they view your profile? Okay, are you interested in that? Do you want to hear about what it is that people see when they visit your profile, your personal profile for the very first time? Okay, if that's the case, type a 2 in the comments, all right, if you're interested and you want to hear about what I have found that people are looking at, okay? So let's do screen share. We're going to screen share here. And let's go to there. And then back to here. We're going to screen share this. All right. Type a 3 in the comments if you can see my screen. All right. And what I'm looking at here. So this is an article on Forbes called Facebook Purchases an Eye Tracking Software with an eye toward enhancing, eye tracking startup with an eye towards enhancing VR. This was published on December 29th, 2016. Why is this relevant? Okay. Facebook they just bought a company called iTribe. Okay. And iTribe is essentially an eye tracking technology, right? That's what they specialize in. Facebook's looking at it to use it for VR so that when you're in VR and you're looking around, they can see that, okay, you're looking over here. Let's you know how when you're watching a YouTube video and it's a little fuzzy, but then you change it to, let's stream at 1080p and it's like super clear and focused. Well, Facebook wants to do that in VR. So if you're focused on something, then they're going to basically give more attention to making sure that what you're looking at is in focus while everything else around you is slightly out of focus. So it can save processor speed and all that. But also the second reason is that Facebook is interested in where people's eyes are looking at, okay? It would make sense that the largest company in the world that has the largest amount of people that are in its basically, in its sphere of influence, they want to know what they're looking at, especially since they're a visual medium type of company. So Facebook has this down to a science. So it's all about eye tracking, okay? So this company tracks eyes. Yes, we're going to use it for VR, but we're also going to use it, all right, for where you're looking at in a particular profile, okay? Now, this profile is from 2011. Type a 4 if that's exciting to hear what the profile is showing, okay? So what you're seeing here, all of the green spots are where people's eyes are going. And the longer that they looked at that spot, the more intense that it gets, okay? So yellow is more intense, and then red is where they spent a lot of time on that, okay? If you look at these 2 images, one is the very old Facebook profile, but one is the new Facebook profile as of 2011, okay? And if you notice, people looked at the profile photo the most, Okay, let me see if I can zoom in on this for you. Can I zoom in? Yes, I can. Awesome. Okay, they zoomed in on the profile photo the most, and then they went over to the car. Now, if you know anything, and then they looked at what the person did. Okay, notice that this is yellow. Okay, and then down here, I think this is mutual friends. Okay, so they're looking at your profile photo the most. Then they look at mutual friends. Okay, they're also looking at what it is that you do. They're looking at your name, and then they look at your cover photo. Okay, that's what this particular profile is. Now let me go to actually I want to do my personal page because I'm going to do business pages tomorrow. All right, so if you look, right, you have my profile photo, my name, and then I've got my cover photo. There's also the intro there. Facebook is really, really, really on top of this. Okay, and these changes have been made in a very scientific and systematic way. Okay, so type 5 in the comments if you want to hear how Facebook is using these eye tracking technology, also along with basic design principles. Okay, type a 5 in the comments if that would be cool. Okay, so here's something very simple with design. Okay, lights versus darks. Okay, darks push things back and lights bring things forward. Okay, so in what you're looking at here, you see my cover photo. My cover photo as a whole is kind of dark. Okay, it's this dark, basically landscape view. It looks really nice. You have a couple of lights. You can tell it's nighttime photo, but the light, but things that are light come forward. So if you look, the lightest thing on this particular view that you're seeing is my profile photo. That's done for a reason. It's done light on black. So the black or the dark pushes back and the light brings forward. So you see that my profile photo is very, very light. So you're going to look at my profile photo the most. I also take advantage of the fact that people look at the profile photo the most when they go to a personal profile. Secondly, what's the next brightest thing on this particular cover photo? That would be my other headshot. Okay, so you have this whole dark background and then you have my headshot, which is light. Okay, and I've tweaked it a little bit. I've upped the contrast in order to make that very viable. Okay, so that people look at my face there, then they look at my face over here, and then they're seeing, oh, the light lettering on the dark background, organic Facebook secrets. Okay, so this is what people are looking at first. All right, is your profile photo, your cover photo, and then they look at the intro. Okay, my intro says creator of organic Facebook secrets, authentic marketer, vlogger, adventure enthusiast, F-bomber. So secondly, all right, that was the little screen sharing bit of this particular broadcast. But secondly, what are you doing? What are you all about? All right, when somebody goes to your profile, your personal profile, what is it that you're promoting? Are you clear, and are you clearly communicating that to the people that are visiting you? So when people come to my profile, they know that I am the creator and founder of Organic Facebook Secrets. They know that Organic Facebook Secrets is about helping people to increase their organic engagement on Facebook, and they know that it's home of F-Bomb Nation, Facebook Organic Marketers. All of that is within the first snapshot of when they go to my profile. Also, actually, I thought this was done with the screen sharing portion, but I'm going to share something else. Okay, type a 6 in the comments if you would like to know, all right, what the next thing that people see that's very, very, very important, okay, for when they visit your profile. So if you look here, scrolling down, we've got the dark video, the video that I shared right now. But what's the number one thing that's drawing attention right now? That would be my featured photo. And the featured photo is a promotion, right, of my Red Hot Organic Secrets, Organic Facebook playbook, and also promoting the group. Organic Facebook Secrets. That's not done just kind of lazily. That's done with a very clear purpose. Okay, so I make sure that I'm using this real estate on my profile, my personal profile. So they see the intro, they see what's going on. They see also, this is a big part two, okay? Followed by 967 people. So if you are followed by a lot of people, it's good to have that be shown publicly on your personal profile because it shows social proof. It shows that people are following you. It shows that you must be doing something right in the world or doing something that provides value in the world. Otherwise, why would so many people be following you? So that's a good portion too. And that's a way to help them to have a positive impression of you. Welcome, Jay. Welcome, welcome. So next, okay, now that you've talked about who you are, it's very important to put these things in here so that they get a brief snapshot. If somebody goes to your profile and they don't know what it is that you're up to, and they can't tell you within the first 5 seconds, that is what we call a marketing fail, okay? So what could you be doing that could be accidentally repelling people, okay? Type a 7 in the comments if you'd like to hear the #1 thing that you could be doing that could be repelling people, okay, instead of attracting people. #1, all right, is to have a bad profile photo, okay? And that means, okay, there's bad and there's horrible, okay? And I would say horrible is if it's a picture of anything but you and a picture of anything but your face, okay? So that means if it's a picture of your sports team, it's a picture of a car, if it's a picture of your animals or pets, if it's a picture of your kids, if it's a picture of anything but your profile, your face, then that is a fail. And you are accidentally repelling people from basically going to take you up for business, okay? So you want to have a clear profile photo of your face, preferably hired by a professional photographer to take it for you. Or if you don't have a professional photographer, what you can do is you can take your phone, all right? I have my windows right here, face the window and allow the window to be the natural light. The natural light is actually the best that you could be using anyway. So when you use the natural light and you take the photo, that allows you to have a really good photo of your face. So I noticed that my phone decided to snap out of this. I'm going to bring the video back up. So let me know, has this been valuable to you? Has these tips been valuable for you? I really trying to answer your questions through these videos and to be able to release them out one at a time so that they can be easily digestible. Okay, so Jason says remove. Oh, I'm still on screen share. Let me get out of screen share. All right. So Jason says remove the one of my daughter and I for of just me. Yes. Okay. If you want to be held credible, now there's nothing wrong with having like a temporary profile photo if you want to show that you're a family guy or anything like that. But for the most part, okay, you need to have a photo that is just you, okay, just your face, all right? So with that being said, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you being here inside of either this live video, inside of this event, or inside of the Facebook group. I appreciate it. If you haven't picked up your free copy of the playbook for Red Hot Organic Facebook Engagement, you can pick that up by going to benperry.co. You can be reading it within seconds. And also, we have a whole bunch more, okay, inside of our private community called Organic Facebook Secrets. We are FBOM Nation. No, it's not what you think. It is a play on words. It stands for Facebook Organic Marketers, okay? So if you're somebody who likes to market to people and do it in an authentic way, in a non-spammy way, and do it in a way that both serves you and your purpose and allows the other person to have a very, very good interaction with you and have a pleasant experience throughout the entire marketing and sales conversation, then that's what we talk about behind the scenes inside of Organic Facebook Secrets. So thank you very much. I appreciate you, and I will talk with you later.